this video, we continue our adventure and to show you the way you can get from the River Walk aparthotel to Vrelo Bosne, the source of the Bosna River, and one of the most famous features of Bosnia and Herzegovina. What awaits you at the very beginning of the alley are horses and a carriage ride. In order to get to Vrelo Bosne by electric scooter, bicycle or by walking, the best way is to go through Velika Ilidza. Velika Ilidza is about 3.5 kilometers long and is lined with about 3,000 chestnut trees. The alley is closed to motor vehicle traffic and is an ideal space for walking, running, cycling. Visitors can take a carriage ride along Velika Ilidza, which has been running along this promenade since 1895 and is one of Sarajevo's most popular attractions. On both sides of a large part of Velika Ilidza, there are luxurious villas, which were built during the Austro-Hungarian rule of Bosnia and Herzegovina, so that members of high society could relax in untouched nature. We are slowly reaching Vrelo Bosne, and here, as you can see, you can find horses and a carriage if you want to go with them on the way back. At the very entrance you can see and feel a wonderful nature and be ready to enjoy the whole day in this place. Just some of the beauties that you can see here, and we will try to bring them closer to you with this video, are beautiful lakes where fish swim and swans sail, islets covered with lush greenery. and the fact that in the hot summer months the temperature there is several degrees lower than in the city. In the central part of the complex there is also a restaurant where the specialty is freshly caught river trout. The entire complex is fenced and landscaped. Here you can even have a picnic with your family. We hope that you enjoyed this beautiful nature and that we were able to convey the beauty of Vrela Bosna to you through this video. We hope that this will be one of your choices as a destination that you will visit when you come to Bosnia and Herzegovina in Sarajevo. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and be notified in time when we announce the next destination you can visit in Bosnia and Herzegovina. River Walk. Your perfect walk through your family vacation.